What up, everybody? Justin here with bearzapperbbq. You're probably asking yourself, clicking on this video that talks about tea, what does tea have to do with barbecue? Well, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you. Stay tuned. So the first thing that we want to do is use our Harney and Sons salted caramel black tea. We're going to steep it like we normally would with tea. We're going to use 2 tea bags though. Then we're going to put our chicken wings in a 3.5 quart or 3.5 liter, I guess, container. And we're going to use this tea as a brine. Super pumped. In a quart of water with some ice cubes. We're throwing in a little bit of salt just to help it with the brining. And this is steeping. We added maybe a tablespoon of honey to this as well. You can do brown sugar or regular sugar, whatever you want. I love honey. So that's what I put in. All right, we have it covered. Now I want to throw it in the fridge to let it cool because we don't want to put any meat into a hot liquid because it'll start cooking. Not a good time. All right, so we've got our chicken breasts and chicken thighs that we're marinating and brining in this. We're just gonna put these take these right out. We're gonna dry them off a bit, season them up, and we're gonna throw them on the egg. All right, we threw the bad boys on, we smoked them up. We got them up to 165. They look good, smell good. I seasoned them with, so I brined them with the Harney and Sons tea, and then I seasoned them with the Cubano seasoning from Lane's. All right, we diced that chicken up real nice. It's super moist, super juicy, and oh, so tender. Let's go. This is the tenderest, most juiciest piece of chicken I've ever made. That brine was amazing. Doesn't add much flavor, but it adds just so much awesomeness to it. It's just incredible. So good. Highly recommend it. Grab yourself some black tea from Harney and Sons. I did black with caramel. Doesn't matter which one. And brine away. So good. You'll love it.